This 2020 Newmar Canyon Star 3927 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Newmar is 39 feet 11 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a Madras Decor, Bermuda Glazed Maple Hardwood interior, sleeps 5, air conditioning, awning, TV, external shower, DVD player, slide-out, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, refrigerator, water heater, and 75-gallon fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunkhouse, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, 2 entry, exit doors. This 2020 Newmar Canyon Star 3927 is built on a Ford F-Series Super Duty chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.